While doing MyGo, right?
Okay.
Goods receipt. Then here I'm going to try to receive goods here for this PO. Okay, then here material quantity, everything is good. I'm going to put the store location, GSL1, and
Okay.
I'm going to do the GR by checking the item OK. Okay.
Okay.
So once I check, it is fine because it is checking the material document, everything is okay, but it
Okay.
is giving an error posting the financial part.
Okay.
This is completely global company, and this is a company code is not supported. I thought first I tested with 1000 company code, which is standard. I thought something some issue with the 1000 company code, and I tried for customized one. This is the customized one.
Okay.
Even for this also same error is coming. So where this can be maintained, or maybe the data or something, which will we can resolve the issue.
Go to the IMG screen.
Okay, I'll go to IMG SPRO. Okay,
Go to enterprise section.
okay. It is taking a little time to load. Okay, enterprise structure. Then under assignment,
Definition.
definition. Okay,
Financial accounting.
financial accounting,
Define company.
define company.
Then go and see.
Okay,
Check position.
position. Okay, only 10 entries are there here.
I think that's entry is deleted. Your entry is deleted.
Ha ha ha, correct. They have deleted all the entries here, right?
Yes.
The company which is maintained is deleted by someone, right?
Yes, honey
That,
is deleted with
that's
someone.
the reason that error is coming, right? Okay, let
Yes.
me add the company code for Honey 9. Let's then try it. Okay, I'll go to
Uh,
assignment. I'll
same
check.
same same process.
No,
No.
no, let me check what is the company name is linked with the company code. Example, I want to see Honey. But how it will allow you to delete if it is assignment is done? It should not allow, right?
No,
See
it will
example,
allow.
it will
It,
allow.
it will allow. Now it is allowing. Now
Okay,
scenario is allowing to delete.
okay. Let me.
Even if I assign all the process and go and
Okay.
finally, then someone is deleting, it will be allowing to
Oh,
delete.
is it? Okay. Let me define here
This
new
bug
entry.
making this. Yes.
Which one? Okay. Let me create this Honey 9 with
HON.
the, yeah. I think the company, this only the company, I think. Okay. Let me check whether it is right or not.
Yes. Because the table is used to say here. Cluster maintenance T8 is used for saving that material company name.
But it is not showing here. Let me check. Just a minute.
Show it down.
Okay, it is there. Okay, Honey is there. Okay. So Honey, well,
Description.
discussion I'll put. Then I'll go to
No, you're saving in some other company name.
saving.
You're saving the details. Honey 99 in Siemens file.
That's okay. That's okay. That is TR, CR, customized request. I just saved it in different one. That is not an issue. Okay.
Then copy the finance section also.
Just a minute. Okay. Let me
No, top definition.
no. Let me check once this one. Honey HON9. Okay. Just I want to cross check. Okay, this is right. Okay. Honey HO9 with this company. Okay. What are you saying? What other solution like things to be done here?
Go to definition.
Okay.
Financial accounting.
Financial accounting. Okay.
Edit, copy, delete, check company code.
But company code is already there. HO9 and
Company code
HO9.
is there.
Okay.
No. Once if I delete the everything, you need to copy it back once again. GL won't be copied. GL will be unavailable.
Which one? Hello.
Just copy once again. Just copy the name and once again do this. copying GL success. GL financial will be done with someone or exactly yourself?
I think it's already there. Let's check now. After doing this, let's check whether it is going to happen or not. Okay, let's see. We'll test it because the company code is not deleted. Company code is there. Company is deleted, right? So let's
Yes.
see whether this is going to work. Okay. Because this all setup were done before only. Everything was good and even posting also happened. Yesterday night, someone changed all these settings. And suddenly it is not allowing us to see. I will show close this. Already it is open in some other.
Yes, I have to open.
Yeah, I'll close this. Okay, check it. Okay, then I'll post. It's posting. See here. The reason behind here, someone deleted the company details, right? If it is
Yes.
even if it is
Yes, yeah.
assignment is done. So now if I go and check MMB, so I wanted to see the today I have done some split validation process. Okay, I want to see that valuation type in the stock. Yeah, it is there. Okay, one number I have maintained for under this valuation type external. So I received one quantity, then I can see this valuation type under this. Okay, now next is like I want to create a production order
Okay.
to check like how this valuation, if it is the internal valuation
Okay.
inside you are going to manufacture, then how exactly that valuation will come into picture, right? That I need to check. That's it. Okay. Okay then, Tyaga, it's good info I got from you that somewhere it is possible to delete company also. I was not aware about it. Even I was not tried also deleting the entry after doing all the calculations. Okay.
Okay. So sometimes some people will suddenly delete it and you will
Exactly,
create.
that is the problem with server and all. So we cannot control. If it is offline, then it will be your own, right? So, and but the
Yes.
thing is that in offline it is a little slow, and server is a little faster to practice and all right. So that will help. Okay, then thank you for your time and good day, Tyaga. So I'll share this in YouTube. Okay, this information so others can get benefit out of this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, good day. Take
Okay.
care. Bye.
Okay. Bye.